Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and you bud. Jack. Welcome back to our channel. Jack is on 10 today, y'all. He is so hyper, but oh, you're gonna be calm now? Welcome back to our channel. Let's go ahead and just jump right in. Today is going to be a Delia's shoe unboxing, and I have actually bought Delia's shoes before. They are very good quality. So let's open these up and see. I also got a few more things to show you guys. I'll show you at the end of the video. All right, so Delia's has super cute stuff, and their packaging is always adorable. Shoe covers. All right, so these are, before I open them, let's see. These are the Delia's Spacey Waves Hollow Star platforms, and as far as I know, they are still available. They are actually on sale right now, and I will link them below where you can get them. As of now, when I'm filming this, they have every size available. I got a size 9, that's what I usually am. So let's see what they look like. Ooh, these are so cute. Very pretty. All right, let's open the other one up to see if it looks the exact same. Okay, looks the same to me. These are so cute and so vintage looking, like 90s or 2000s, more like 2000s, I think. Yes, I cannot wait to try these on. My only concern with these was the heel height was not high enough for me. Because if I wear platforms, I like them to be pretty high. These look to be about maybe 3 inches. So I don't know, I think they're cute with the stars on them, the holographic blue stars. They have blue soles on the bottom. There's also blue holographic trim. It has an adjustable buckle on the side here. So I'm hoping these are going to be comfortable. Seems like there's a really nice padded sole. So yeah, let's just go ahead and try these on. Alright you guys, so now that I tried them on, I love them. They are so great. They're so comfortable. I cannot believe how comfortable these are because I actually walked around in them for a little bit. I'm very pleased. My only complaint is I wish the heel was a little bit higher, maybe like an inch or 2. But I mean, I still like the height of them, but I just prefer like 4-inch to 5-inch platform shoes. But overall, love them. I would totally recommend them. So if you're thinking about it, just get them. They look so awesome with the stars on them. I like stars. But yes, that is it for the shoe review. Now let's move on to the little extra items that I purchased because they were having a sale, and you know, I had to get some stuff. I actually got a product from their Powerpuff Girl collection. It's just a little small purchase, but it came in this adorable Powerpuff Girl bag. I mean, I'm still gonna throw it away, but I just think it is so cute. They had some adorable stuff, but I just wanted to go on sale and the prices to drop a little bit more because they're so expensive. But I did get these really cute sunglasses because if I purchase these, then I get free shipping, so they're only $12. They're actually on sale right now. These awesome black sunglasses that have Powerpuff Girls on the sides here. I think they're really cute. They are very well made, and for $12, you know, I'm very happy with them. Then I have been looking at this top forever, and I finally just bought it. It was on sale. I think it was 50% off, and I think it still is right now. It is this green fuzzy top and it has Saturn on the front here. I love it. It is super fun. I wore it yesterday and it is so cool. Very pleased with this. I love the color of it. And I'll try this on for you guys so you can see what it looks like. All right, y'all bear with me with my backdrop. It's really off-centered. But this is the top. I absolutely love it. It's very soft and comfortable and warm. I got a couple sizes bigger than I probably should have, but I like loose clothing, so I like how it fits. I was actually really surprised how it fit because the girl in the picture, like the crop top seemed to come to like right here on her, but it actually comes like right at my belly button. So it's just the perfect crop length. I just love how soft it is. But yeah, that's my haul, you guys. That's it. It's very small. I was just mainly here to show y'all these awesome shoes. I guess that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like it, comment, tell me what you thought about the shoes or any of the other stuff that I got. Thank you guys so much for watching, and Jack and I will see you guys in our next video.